Hi guys, today I will be showing you guys 4 easy fall treats that you can make at home. Want to know how? Then keep on watching.
We don't have to be lonely, everybody needs some company. Let's talk about it over one more drink. One thing right, you.
First one is a snack mix. You can use anything that you like. This is the perfect sweet and salty snack and so easy to make. In a bowl, you want to combine everything that you're using for your snack mix and mix well so everything is evenly mixed. The next thing we're gonna make are these cute little chocolate acorns. So using the Ziploc bag filled with icing, you want to go ahead and squeeze just enough on there so the chocolate could stick on the flat side of the wafers. Once you're done with that, you want to flip it over and do the same thing to the other side but with chocolate chips. The next thing that we're making is this pumpkin spice dip. So in a bowl, you want to measure out 1 cup of pumpkin and a whole container of Cool Whip. Now you just want to mix it a little till it's kind of mixed. Then you want to combine all your dry ingredients. Once everything is in there, you want to mix everything very well. And now when you're all done, your dip is ready to be served. I'm taking this little cute leaf bowl and I'm going to put some in there. I'm also going to be sprinkling some cinnamon to make it pretty. This dip is fluffy and great for a fall treat. You can serve it with anything that you like, crackers, cookies, vanilla wafers, or even fruits. It's so perfect for a fall snack. The last thing we're going to be making are these no-bake pumpkin cheesecake bites. This one, we're also using 1 cup of pumpkin, or you can add more if you want a more pumpkin taste. A whole cream cheese package in a Ziploc bag. Throw in some graham crackers, ginger snap cookies, and crushed till fine. Now you want to pour the crushed cookies along with the pumpkin pie spice and cinnamon. Now you want to mix everything all up. Now it's time to melt the chocolate chips. This is optional, but I added some coconut oil. Microwave for 1 minute to 30 seconds or till whenever the chocolate melts. Now you want to go ahead and line parchment paper onto your baking pan. Taking your cookie scoops, scoop some onto the baking pan and freeze for 5 to 10 minutes. Once they are done freezing, take them out and cover them with chocolate. And there you guys have it, 4 quick and easy fall treats. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!